Okay, layout for these doors. This is the sink wall. Don't pay attention to the arrangement of the cabinets. I just dropped them in place. The priority is the drawer size and the door. So this is the sink cabinet, starting with this guy. I have this door size is 29 because I've got all these doors under the countertops at 29 and 3/4 tall. And this guy, that's the width of the door, the hinge locations. Width of the door here, height, hinge location on the left. Trash, door width, height. The top of that trash can will be 10 inches down from the top. And again, that's the door height. I know the cabinet box may be higher, but just for ease of making all this, because we're just kind of coming about it backwards, starting with the door fronts first. Sink doors, that hinge is 10 inches down to clear the panel. That's the width on the left. The right was a 16th. No, same thing. 17 and 3/8. This little guy. And then for the pantry cab, this height was 55 and 5/16. That's the width, overall width of the cabinet. So that's your individual door width, the upper door. That's the height. And then one thing to look at here is to make sure if we come from the bottom of the cabinet to the center of that hinge, I've got 27 and 11/16. If you want to measure that to make sure it's going to clear that shelf. Range wall, cabinet to the right of the range, door size, hinged on the left, mirror image, left of the range, door size, cabinet above the fridge, door size, height, island, face of the island. If we're adding drawers, that's, again, the overall, the outside cabinet width isn't really critical on this because of that waterfall messed with our overlay a little bit, but I've got an inside dimension of 18.5 by 28.5. So these top drawers are 6 inches tall. That's the height. And then these guys, that one's 11 and 12 and 3/4. But I think now that I see this, you wanted these equal. 11 and 7/8, 11 and 7/8. So I'll adjust those so these are all equal. Because here I've got a note that it's a 3/4 overlay, but that waterfall was a little askew, so my overlay is less, so that door is going to have a little trim put on. And then these drawer boxes are 21 deep, which I know will be fine. Made out of 1/2 inch pre-finished maple. And then this is the entryway cabs. Drawers, if you can confirm the depth of, I've got 21.5 deep. And then my cabinet, if you can, yeah, confirm this for me. The inside width, 20 and 3/4, inside height. But that's that's our layout. Take a look at this. Let me know what you think, and then we can get all this stuff cut out. Thanks.